No romance. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, Nij, Anishinaabeg, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and today, our Ojibwe word of the day. I see Bagheera is in here.
I know. How you doing, kitty?
Today's Ojibwe word, cat. Gajagaints, cat. You gonna come up here? Yeah, come on up here. Say hello to the people. This may not work, but what's going on? Hey, Bagheera. Do you want to come here and say hello to the people? I guess not. All right. Well, hey, today, welcome back to the show. And today is part 3 of reading Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest by Michael Lyons. And we're reading this in sections because it's way too long for a podcast. But when we left off, Little Cutie had gone into the woods in search of Kitchi-Manadu. Actually, in search of Migizi. And he's on a vision. Anyway, I'm going to pick this up. So he's looking for Migizi, and we find out that Migizi and Mamengwa, butterfly, are friends. Okay, here we go. Meanwhile, high above Cabacona Lake, Migizi and Mamengwa were drifting on the winds and discussing high-minded ideas once again. Migizi stretched out his massive wings and comfortably soared in slow, ever-widening circles as the tiny monarch struggled against the mid-afternoon breeze. Mamengwa took a long, thoughtful look at Migizi and finally said, you don't have to Actually, you want to read Mamengwa?
Yeah, okay.
Mamengwa took a long and thoughtful look and finally said,
You don't have to settle for being just an eagle.
Migizi said nothing. He wasn't insulted. His attention was on a shimmering walleye 100 feet below. Mamengwa was undeterred. He said,
Take a look at me. Once I was a humble caterpillar. Then, as soon as I knew I was at a healthy place, psychologically, physically, and spiritually, I cocooned myself away from all friends and family. Really spent some me time, processing my childhood and getting in touch with my feelings. When I finally emerged, I was transformed.
Migizi rolled his eyes. He had heard the story many times before.
I went from being the ugliest little worm in the forest to the most beautiful creature of all.
He didn't think of it as bragging. Mamengwa truly believed everything he said.
Granted, I'm sure being the big bad bald eagle has its advantages,
Mamengwa admitted.
You're a heck of a fisherman, and your face is all over the humans' money. But you could be so much more.
Far below, Little Cutie scanned the afternoon sky until he finally caught sight of Migizi gliding along effortlessly. Okay, now what? You know what? Let's leave it right there.
Okay.
It just seems like a good scene break. Alright, so that was Mamengwa and Migizi. Mamengwa, butterfly. Migizi, eagle. And those are the Ojibwe. Those are 2 Ojibwe words for today too. I don't know. Alright, maybe that's enough. You want to add anything here, sweetie?
Should we talk about Patreon?
Nah, we do that all the time. If you'd like to support the show, click the link to Patreon. Alright, well hey, this has been part 3 of Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. And tomorrow we'll pick it up and with part 4. All right. You want to add anything here, sweetie?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Well, hey, I just want to say, miigwech bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. And thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawa min, minawa, hawa. All right. La la la. Okay, a little bit of B-roll. Even though it's already getting kind of long. I don't wanna go.
All right. I can't wait to finish this book.
I know.